Hey everybody, PJ with Automotive Elegance. This is your aftercare guide for your vehicle protected by ceramic coating or PPF. The first step to cleaning your vehicle will be your wheels. If you get a ceramic coating package through us, your wheels are included. So the first step to cleaning your wheels is you want to give them a really deep rinse. After that, we have our wheel cleaner here that will spray on the whole wheel and tire. Next, we want to use a separate brush for our tire and the face of our wheel. Once you're done cleaning your wheels, the next step you want to do is take your pressure washer or your hose and rinse your vehicle from top to bottom. The safest way to wash your vehicle is with our 2-bucket method. Our first bucket is filled with water. This is where we rinse our wash mitt, and all of the dirt that comes off of the vehicle will end up in here. After that, we'll put it in our soap and go right back to washing our panels. To reduce the amount of scratches and swirls you get when washing your vehicle, you want to do long, straight motions from the top of the panel to the bottom. So you want to do your cleanest part of the panel first and the dirtiest part last. After washing your vehicle from top to bottom with your 2-bucket method, after that you want to repeat and rinse from top to bottom. After washing your vehicle, the next step is you want to dry it with a clean microfiber towel. Same as when you wash it, you want to do long, straight motions to prevent any scratching and swirling. Upon delivery of your vehicle, you will have the option to buy our Ceramic Boost Care Kit, which comes with our Expel Ceramic Boost Spray Sealant and a clean Expel microfiber towel. After washing and drying your vehicle, the next step is you want to take your Ceramic Boost. You want to spray very lightly onto the paint and use long, straight motions. This will give your vehicle and its PPF or ceramic coating an extra layer of added protection and shine. Washing your vehicle regularly and maintaining your ceramic coating and PPF will make it last for years to come.